Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders December 2022 club kits are now available. And if you are interested in subscribing to any of their kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. So let me show you the 3 that I receive. I have the embossing folder, and it's this beautiful heart design this month. And as always, it's a nice large size, just under 6 by 9 inches. The large embossing folder is perfect for a variety of different card sizes. Here's a look at the large die of the month. We have a nice large heart and then some beautiful floral pieces to decorate up that heart. You can use those large floral pieces by themselves, or you can use some of the smaller dies to add extra detail. There's also a sentiment, and I have it the wrong direction, but it's with love. Now moving on to the card kit of the month, the theme is Love Grows Here. So the kit includes an information sheet that has the contents and also a sample card with a tutorial on the back side. And generally the card tutorial features the dies that are included in the kit. And as you can see, this month's kit has some adorable little birds. There are 9 pieces of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have a pink, white, brown, a light pink, a bright yellow, there's green, a light blue, there's a darker blue, and the specialty is gold mirror cardstock. Here's the pattern paper that's included. It's a 6 by 6 paper pad with 40 sheets. You'll get 2 of each design, and several of the sheets do have a gold foil detail on them. This first design is one of my favorites. I love the colors, lots of florals, and then a bunch of the little birds. The collection this month has lots and lots of pink, which always makes me happy. Here's a sheet that has that gold foil finish with a bunch of hearts. A little hard to see in the video. There are quite a few tone-on-tone designs mixed in with those busier patterns. There are quite a few floral designs this month. Goes with the Love Grows Here theme. We have a wood grain. Here's one with lots of bicycles. A grid design. Here's a light gray pattern with teeny tiny white hearts. And the final 2 patterns also have a bunch of hearts. Next up is the stamp set. There's an image of the 2 little birds. We have a heart lock, some small hearts. There's a key and also some music notes, and then lots of great sentiments. There's a large word love and then some smaller sentiments that you can mix and match together. The next item is a pack of chipboard frames. There is adhesive on the back. There are a couple of hearts. We don't usually get the heart shape, so that's a nice change. We have a couple of ovals and a bunch of squares. And some of the frames do have the gold foil finish on them. Next is the pack of die cut images, and I will open this up and spread out all of the pieces toward the end of the video. We have a sheet of puffy sticker sentiments, and there's also a few little hearts included in there. Then we have the 2 sheets of chipboard stickers. Lots of icons and sentiments, and the colors match beautifully with the paper collection. There's a roll of adhesive tape and also the foam squares. Next we have this set of card bases and envelopes, and these are A2 size. You'll get a total of 10 of each. The card bases do have a linen texture on one side. I love to use those for the images and sentiments and also the backgrounds of my cards. For embellishments this month, it's a beautiful orange sequin with an iridescent finish. And the final item that's included in the kit is the set of dies. There are a total of 13. I'll lay them out on one of the card bases so you can get a better look. We have the branch, 2 of the birds. There's separate dies for the bird's wings, the chest, the tail, the little thing that goes on the top of their heads, which I believe makes them a specific type of quail, although you do have the option of leaving that piece off. There are also dies for their beak, the legs, and then also some small leaves and flowers to decorate up your branch. And here's a look at all of the die cut shapes that are included, and there are 2 of each image. Sometimes Spellbinders includes quite a few sentiments in the die cut packs, but I think this time there's only 1 or 2. Now here's another look at Spellbinders December 2022 club kits. If you are interested in subscribing to any of their kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. In addition to the 3 kits that I receive, Spellbinders has other options. And sometimes Spellbinders offers some of the card kit contents available for purchase individually. In order to receive the kits I showed in this video, you do need to sign up and subscribe by December 28th. And coming soon, I will be sharing my card videos using the fun kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.